here from the Poorhouse Museum, Van Buren County. You guys remember sustained some pretty bad storm damage in this last storm of the spring before summer hit. We have got the Great Lakes Burn Camp here back at the back. We have got the Great Lakes Ghostbusters Coalition, and people are still coming in. Stick with us. This is going to be a great little function. Check this stuff out.
I'm allergic.
Yeah, he's allergic to bull. You enjoying yourself?
Oh, yeah.
Florida hot right now? Yeah.
Oh, look at that.
So,
A small amount of people. I didn't think she'd get a lot of people. I'm having fun. Just looking around and meeting new people and everything, introducing her to new people. Everybody in the live stream said, "Who's that pretty lady next to you?"
Well, they're not used to seeing you running around. Normally the wife stays at home.
Yeah.
So they're not used to seeing you run around with beautiful women. And when you show up with one, people start,
This beautiful woman knows my wife.
They're actually related, so only in Alabama is that kind of stuff legal.
Youngstown, Ohio.
Youngstown, Ohio. Look at this. We got Ferris Fam here. Look at this. You guys having fun?
Oh, yeah. It's great.
I was telling them, you wouldn't believe the people that show, the YouTubers that showed up here that are not only paranormal, but non-paranormal as well.
Yeah.
Or only partially paranormal.
yeah.
I mean, when you get a YouTuber that puts on a function like this, it's like we come out of the woodwork to support it.
Yeah. I'm partially normal, so
You guys heard it. Partially normal. Right there. Oh, check this out. We got the Huntress. Team Shockley.
Oh, yeah. Having a blast.
Let's go down here and check this stuff out. Look at all this. Look at all the pretty stuff.
Beautiful, just like me.
come on down. Ghostarama.
She is going into the investigative field on her own. She had enough of my old ass. She is branching off. She's going to start taking Chris out, doing some investigations together, just like it should be. Yeah, of course I'm not going to pass up a chance to collab with my girl and her man. I mean,
Oh, yeah. I'll definitely still work with you.
I've been calling her my second wife for weeks now, so I mean, it's like,
I gotta be crazy.
yeah, definitely. It's like if we're gonna share you, I gotta meet the number one dude.
Yeah, exactly.
Done any good yet?
I got $5.
Woo! Bad holla.
Yeah,
No holla.
I know.
Get some money.
Oh, yeah.
Booyah, check this stuff out. We got Randy's Real Paranormal. Look who's sitting behind the counter back here. It's Amy from Mindless Adventures. You've been busy lately. Not really. I love the video for Winchester House.
Oh, I ain't even done with it.
Really? There's more of it.
Yeah, because that was just a history of the house. I have to edit the actual investigation. I've still got Fowler Theater in Mid Township to edit. I got some videos I took in Ohio that was non-paranormal. I got quite a few videos that I keep doing it when I'm on mental break for my service. So
Cool.
Figure since I can't do anything or can't go to work and can't do a whole lot, I'm gonna edit my videos.
There you go.
But,
Just take it easy and take care of yourself.
yeah, I officially got
Guys, look at these guys. There's Tommy amongst the tombstones. There's Randy. Randy's real paranormal. Yeah, we're live and on live here. Check out what goes bump in the night. Look at all the pretty stuff.
It's Ghostarama here in Pop Playhouse. Hey, by the way, if you didn't know, unrestricted radio is here. They're inside today. They are working.
check out our Mr. Waddles. He does a lot of work for us.
Mr. Waddles.
Congratulations. He's my author and musician, Barry Bricky.
I need to get some of those light up duckies.
Right around the corner, over by the T-Rex
asylum
where
once,
they're serving food.
and it went off
Be sure to
9
stop on
times
over there.
by
He is
itself
author
in front of like
Silence
40
and
people.
Chili Horror Story
Really?
based on
Yeah, we
haunted
set it down in the middle of like everyone
Michigan farmhouse out in
investigating.
Monroe, Michigan. That will
They
have
didn't even know we set it down.
with the
Then it
lights
started
on.
lighting
Go
up
over,
by
say
itself.
hi to Barry Bricky.
Wow.
Really cool.
And
That is cool.
stage in about a half hour from now.
So where are we going to investigate next?
Dude, I don't know. I was telling her, you know, I didn't know you guys were clear up in Muskegon. I knew you were close by.
Yeah, we were dead center in Muskegon,
But it's like, dude, I'm 40 minutes southwest of here, and I would love to get you guys down that way to do some stuff in like Niles.
Yeah, we'd love to do it too. It's just gotta, the stars gotta align just right.
Well, we have like Silverbrook Cemetery in Niles, 12,000 some odd graves, and native mounds in the back. So, and they've got one of the very few still used receiving vaults in the country,
Really? That's wild.
dating back to the 1840s.
That's a lot of history.
I get a lot. Last time we were there, I got a lot of orb activity.
Really?
I set up the green light. I mean, all you saw was shit coming out the door, and oh yeah, very, very cool place.
Yeah.
But we'll have to stay in touch. We'll figure something out.
Yeah, I say I'm in the group. I just never say anything because I'm always busy.
Even if we got to send Grandma to Kalamazoo to my wife's cousin's house, do the fold-out sofa thing. You guys come down there, spend the weekend. We'll smack up a couple of cemeteries.
Yeah.
I don't know where we're gonna. Well, no, we can stick you in the recliner on the other end of the sofa.
Sleep anywhere. I say we slept in the same bed many times. So.
Now, hold on. I gotta shut the camera off. One eternity later. Man, Ben from Afterlife Road. Look at this. Look at that. Look at that.
I can't see it.
I know.
So why are you telling me to look at it?
No, them look at you.
Oh. Well, what's the fun in that? Why can't I look at them?
I don't know. Ben from Afterlife Road. I'll tell you what. I'm amazed. More and more YouTubers, more and more podcasters are coming out. This is turning out to be an absolutely amazing event. So much bigger than what Danny thought it was going to be. I'm glad I was here on the ground floor to help support him. Of course, you know, we have the Great Lakes Burn Camp for children that have been injured in fires and stuff. We've got Fairy Tale Creations over here. It's absolutely amazing, all the stuff going on here. I wish y'all were here to check it out. But things go as we planned. Next year, there's going to be more than one Ghostarama. Check this out. We even got the monsters here.
We're ready. We are all ready. The intense heat coming right from last. Joy. It's lovely. We're gonna get a good snow cone. Oh yeah, they got snow cones over there.
They got ice cream and snow cones. All right, guys, this is Danny's daughter, Sam. I know you've seen her in some of Danny's old videos. How's things going for you out here today?
Pretty good. It's pretty warm today, but I'm selling a lot of things off for people, so
That's what it's all about. Little
First
extra,
market for me, so
little extra cash in the
makes
pocket.
it all worth it.
So do you make your stuff, or do you buy and resell?
I do. I make my own things, all handmade. So I make custom wreaths as well as custom soy wax candles, and then polymer clay earrings as well. And then I have just some cute little add-ons here in my mini pentagonal wreaths.
Do you have a business card?
Don't.
You don't.
Yep,
You mean I
first
gotta
market.
call Dad to okay.
Yep, figure it all out. But Raven's Rose is the name. Raven's Rose Shop is my Facebook.
Okay.
So I've got my little logo on there, but everything else is in the works right now.
Awesome. Cool. There you go, bud.
Done.
I'm glad you're doing good out here.
Yes.
Hope the next couple hours goes just as well.
Very soon.
Yep. Oh my God, guys, look at this right here. Look what the cat dragged in. I told you guys, paranormal or not paranormal, when a YouTuber puts on an event, YouTubers crawl out the woodwork to help support it. There's Blaine from Spinning and Winning Slots with Blaine.
Hi guys, how you doing? Thought I'd show up.
Glad you did, bud.